Alright guys, what's up? It's Daryl again. I ended up going to the flea market yesterday evening. Picked up a few things you see here. I picked up this performance tool 10-piece impact socket set for $10. Half-inch drive, not bad. It is standard. I don't have any big impact sockets. I'm gonna try them out. This gear wrench, test line, I give $7 for it. It's about the going rate. Now this gear wrench half-inch ratchet, I give $15 for it. It's about half off. Brand new. This little knockoff snap-on knife sharpener, $3. As you can see right there, made in China. And they're selling out their name. I love Snap-on, I love to collect Snap-on, but they're really selling out their name. Little nail brush, 50 cents a piece, 59 cents. Little mini bulb remover installer. Give $3 for it. You can, those right there are pretty good. I have one back in the day, I lost it. Little air gauge, $2. It's pretty cool. Performance tool. They got a lot of stuff. This OEM carbon gasket scraper. I think I get $2 for it, which is a deal. They're about $10. This little quick release off-brand performance tool clamp, $6. It's got the button right here, you know, so you can. I think the only good thing I got really was the gear wrench, ratchet, test light, and the gasket scraper. The rest of this stuff's throwaway, but you never know when you're going to need something. I'm going to be doing a toolbox tour for you guys soon, so thanks for watching.